Welcome to the instructions video for the Weibull Analysis Failure Interactive Calculator. This tool helps engineers analyze failure data using Weibull distribution to predict component lifetimes and estimate failure rates. It's essential for reliability engineering and maintenance planning. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter your failure data parameters. Start by inputting the shape parameter beta, which describes the failure behavior. A beta less than 1 indicates early life failures, while values greater than 1 suggest wear-out failures. Next, enter the scale parameter eta, which represents the characteristic life of your component. Then specify the time value at which you want to calculate reliability. The calculator will determine the reliability function, failure probability, hazard rate, and mean time to failure. These results help you understand when components are likely to fail and plan maintenance accordingly. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.